What is going on, everybody? This is Ryan, and I'm going to give you an overview of what I believe is a over-engineered trailer hitch, riser, and dropper. So you can lower it, you can rise it. Very excited to do this review. I'm going to give you all the stats on this thing, and it is robust. We'll just put it that way. All right, first thing to note, what all do you get and what makes this different? So this is a hitch that can be either turned upside down, or in this configuration, you either have a 2-inch top or a 2 5/16. This rotates very easily. I'll share how that works here in a sec. Then you have this extension here. I want to also give some measurements. So off the edge of the hitch, you're looking at, as far as how far it sticks out, right at 12 inches from here to here. I'm actually going to pull this whole thing out and show you some close-ups of it. Then you have all these different pins. It comes with the pins. It comes with locking mechanism. It's to prevent rattling around here. So based on the size of your hitch and how much you want in there, this prevents rattling. It also comes with a lock. Lock this on. What's really cool is that it comes with O-rings. So this thing is like not rocking around when you put it in there, because it comes with the O-rings. I'll share here as well. So when you put it in, you put the O-rings on until it gets it nice and tight, depending on your setup here. So the pin is not even moving. It's like in there, and it's a wrap. The capacity of this probably is going to exceed the weight capacity is probably going to exceed the actual vehicle it's hooked up to. So it's rated for the 2-inch ball at 12,500 pounds. When this is flipped over and it's put in the 2 5/8 ball, it's rated at 21,500 pounds. Like, that's just unbelievable to me. So these pins right here, these are like quick release pins. They come out very, very sturdy stainless steel. Then this pin comes out. I mean that's like serious steel right there. You got a little grip right there to make it easy to pull out. Then you have another one to pull that out. Then here's this. The cool part is that it has this like heavy gauge hard plastic. So when you put it in there, it's not like metal on metal. So you're not going down the road and this thing is vibrating like crazy and ching, making all kinds of like loud ching metal like noises. You're not going to hear that. This is also like a powder. This is all powder coated. So like it's going to minimize potential rust, which is also a good thing. This is pretty heavy duty. Then here's your piece here. It can go up and down. These holes are in 1-inch increments. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 increments. Yes, you have a 6-inch, just leaving it in this position, 6 inches. But if you're like, nope, I need to be higher up, pull this pin out. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take off the locking mechanism that holds this to the vehicle. Here's the really cool part. So when taking it off, you take off the protective cover so the locking mechanism right here with the key doesn't get a whole bunch of grime that's in there. You unlock it, take the key out, and check out this. This is really cool. You don't need to have the key in to lock it. You push it and then it locks it. That's really cool. I haven't seen that before. So if you get into like a tight space here, you don't need to like get the key in there and try to turn it and get it in there. You just get it in there, you press the button, and then it locks. Take it off. There's your rubber O-rings to prevent rattling. You also have 2 holes here. So if you want this to extend farther, you got an extra option here. So if you don't, if you want it to hang out a little bit more or go in a little bit farther. So in this example, so now we have it in the up position. And if we want to put the 2 5/8 ball here, put it up, and now we have a much higher, depending on the trailer and trying to get that height just right, so we can customize it and bring it down right to where we need to get that trailer, put it in, and you're good to go. So if I wanted to prevent rattling, take this, slide as many as I need. So here, we'll put 2 on, push it all the way in. Really get it on there, it's tough. Put 1, 2, if we don't want this to rattle at all. 2 O-rings. Get our lock. Push it all the way on there. Lock it in. And this thing now is like, this is holding it in place. The O-rings are on both sides of this, and this thing is in place. So in summary, you have a powder-coated steel heavy gauge, two different sizes, 2 and 5/8. The pin that goes through is 5/8 of an inch. You have your locking with 2 keys connector. You have O-rings, so it doesn't even, now it's not even moving at all because I put an O-ring on both sides. You have the, we'll call them these like the square rings. So now this doesn't rattle against this. It's like super solid. This is all high gauge, rated at the pounds that I mentioned. Super, super heavy. Adjustable 6 inches this way. Flip it around 6 inches this way. And all in all, a fantastic, as I mentioned, over-engineered. Like when they built this thing is like, they thought of everything from the rattling. And I got to believe the rattling over time, besides it just being annoying, probably put stress and unwanted wear on the actual pieces where this is connecting. So minimizing that or preventing that has got to help for sure with the longevity of this. Full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little tutorial, a little overview? Tell us what you think about our height adjustable trailer hitch. Hopefully any and all your questions got answered about this thing, which is just awesome. And we'll talk to you soon.